Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your Target Red account. So let's get started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in Target RedCard, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as rcam.target.com. In my case, it's the first one. Now to log in, you need to provide your login credentials. So go ahead and type your username in the text field given for username. Then type your password in the text field given for password. You can also check this box that says show password so that you can see and verify whether you have typed in your correct password or not. If you have forgotten your username or password and want to reset it, you can do so by tapping on this text that says forgot your username or password. Now to sign in, all you gotta do is tap on the sign in button and you will be signed in successfully if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.